Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this segment of the video, I want to show you that um, with the Pirate Disco, it's included this called the cockpit glasses. Cockpit glasses, it meant to use with your smartphone to give you the immersive um, flying experience with this thing. Okay, so as you can see here, the glasses, I want to show you that you can slide it out the tray, and inside the tray um, you open it up, and with this clip right here you open up the tray. um, it's basically has the ability to slide your phone in here. So any smartphone that you might have, you can put it in there. One of the cool thing about it, as you can see, this opening here. Okay, this opening here is meant to have your phone camera to um, place your phone right here, and the camera will be exposed on this side. What it does is that once you close this way and you slide it in here, as you can see here, there's an opening here. It's kind of tinted here, you can't see it, but what it does is give you the ability to switch the image from seeing the FPV through your goggles here by pressing this button right here, okay, on the controller. You can actually switch between the FPV screen to the camera, so that you can see what you're flying. So in other words, you can see the FPV and also looking out to the field of your aircraft without taking off your goggles from your face. And that's this whole thing is about. Okay, so I want to show you how to use this thing. So once you put your smartphone in there, you just slide it back in here and you attach your USB cable to the connector of the controller, and that's the how you connect this. So let's see the next segment. You see how I set this up. Okay, so the first thing you do is to put your phone, basically there's a line here that you need to line up your phone into this area of the tray. Then you connect the USB cable to your controller, and the other end of the USB cable you want to connect it to your smartphone. Okay, so once you do that, make sure the phone is center aligned with that line right there. You close it. Okay, once you do that, turn on the remote control. Automatically you see that the Free Flight Pro app started up automatically for you. Okay, so once you get into the Free Flight Pro app, you see that it split the screen in two sections right here, and that's where you're gonna slide into the goggles and you get the immersive flying experience. Okay, hope I can do this and show you what's inside, but it's gonna be very hard to show. As you can see here, you get a pretty nice video in there. Once you fly this, you can have the whole image display inside there. So let me take it back out and show you when you press this button here on the bottom of your controller right here. Okay. Okay, so if you press the left button, you get the let's see here, you can see the overlay of your GPS, your altitude and your speed, and then your location, you know, based on where your controller in relation to the aircraft itself on the left side. And on this side, you're actually seeing through the camera here. Okay, so now you can see through the camera, so you're not looking through the FPV of the drone camera itself. You're actually seeing through this lens out here, so you can see through what's outside your goggles. Okay, so this right switch here of your controller, okay, it's basically toggle between the FPV, the camera FPV on the aircraft, and your phone FPV. Okay, which is very nice. So you can see that right there. So this is the drone camera, and this is the FPV itself of the video coming out the back of here. Okay. Alright guys, I think this setup is pretty nice. I really like that. So the next video I'm gonna show you guys is I'm gonna try to take a video of this you know, these goggles with the immersive image, if I can. Try to record the screen and show you what it looks like. But apparently this thing is amazing. So just wanna show you a quick video how to set this up. It's very simple, very easy to do. So until next time, peace.